Welcome to Meow Bark News. Today we are interviewing Sarge the Parrot. Do you believe that the bird is in fact the word? He does. Diego Atanasio would like to know, are you familiar with the birds and the bees? Bird. Have you ever met Polly? Dan Levitz would like to know, do you like crackers or would you prefer French fries? I've heard that you actually prefer tomatoes. Thomas Talbot would like to know, did Epstein kill himself? Matthew Zarilli would like to know, does dressing so sexy make it hard for people to take you seriously? Do you know any pirates? How would you rate this current tomato? Do you know Captain Jack Sparrow? Bird. Bird's the word. Do you know Big Bird? Have you ever met a seagull? He has. Do you know Iago, the parrot from Aladdin? Bird. Bird's the word. Bird. There's something I wanted to say. I'm just not sure it would fly. He didn't like that corny joke. Do you like to dance? Bird. When will you show us your tax returns?
So you want to feed him some tomatoes?
Everybody knows about the bird. Esther Navarez would like to know, do you tweet? Bird. Bird's the word. Bird. Jeff Horst, signing off from Meow Bark News. Today has been very informative and fun with Sarge. And I don't know how to end videos very well. Do you have any questions for me, Sarge? Do you want another tomato? I think that's yes.